Susan. I hope you're doing good. Today I'm playing catch up. I did not realize that the 2022 Collage Challenge February that Julie of Art and Junk Journal with Julie and Leigh of Leigh's Art Studio, I thought it was a closed collaboration. So now I'm coming back and catching up with February and March, so I'll be ready for April. And in February, the style was shabby chic, the color was green or teal, paper was textured, embossed, shiny and metallic. And I've got some of those. I've got some parchment paper that's been coffee dyed. I've got this embossed paper. I'm not sure if you can see. And the theme is story time, and the focal is person or statue. And I love this. I thought this was suited the story time, and we still got the little children and people. And marks are dots, dashes, patterns. Shape is square and rectangle. And our swapper bonus is scrapbook paper, which I'm using anyway. And I've got this little kind of a rectangle patterned die cut. And it's a digitals. This is a digital. I've got some flowers that are digitals, some tags and butterflies that are digital, and I'm just going to see if I can put this together and see what I can come up with. I hope you'll enjoy it. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm finished. It just needs to dry. But I have got my style of shabby chic with my flowers in the background. Green and teal. There's lots of greens throughout this. My paper, I've got textured, embossed. I've got some parchment paper that's been coffee dyed. And I've got this glittery paper. Story time and my focal point. This is my focal point, this little girl, and the story time with a little tea party and such, I believe, just sets it off. Marks, I've got some dots and dashes throughout. Shape, square. Most of my collage today has been kind of in squares or oblongs as such. That was just the best I knew to do. I've got the rectangle of the frame. This was kind of square, my embossed paper, and my digital, instead of tearing it, I just left it kind of a rectangle. And I did some of the bonus. I've got scrapbook paper and digitals. So I want to thank Julie of Art and Junk Journals with Julie and Leigh of Leigh's Art Studio for hosting this collaboration. It was so much fun. Please check out their channels. I will have them listed in my description box down below. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. I appreciate all the comments, and it really helps my channel to grow. So until next time, bye y'all.